How can anyone say no to the tempting smell of charcoal grilling? Charcoal grill with offset smoker is ready to help you create cooking memories with family and friends. This grill is constructed of heavy-duty steel and is made to last. The total cooking area can cook for up to 7 or 8 people. The height-adjustable charcoal pan with lifting handles allows for easy temperature control. The grill can hold heat well and give your food lovely sear line. The built-in thermometer allows for precision temperature control. The smoker has a built-in vent and side door to let you easily control the temperature. The firebox together with the offset smoker forms an efficient heat transfer system. A warming rack gives you extra cooking space. It is best to clean the grill in time after grilling. Two wheels help you move better.
Follow us soon.